to the Midwest Compact Dash Series as they get ready for their National Short Track Championship feature. '61 Frank Baldowski. 68 car Steven Erickson, 98 Kelly Evink, track record holder Brandon DeLacy in the 119. Getting ready to go. Coming to green, here we go. 40 laps for the Midwest Dash Cars. Phil Maloff pops to the lead. How will they all sort out? Lyle Phillips a little sideways, middle of the field in the 35. Gets it straight. Maloff will lead lap 1. Aaron Rude cooking on the bottom of the 9, looking for third to the inside of Melody. Greg Blount wants the lead. Blount to the top spot in 22. Look at these 4 cylinders go. Rude and Boyle, Baldowski, Evink all on the way. Bottom side rocking and rolling with the 4-cylinder cars. Rude to third. Greg Blount, your leader in 22. Out of Marathon, Wisconsin. Whoa, Maloff kicks it off the wall but keeps it straight. He used the cushion. Rude wants second. Closing up on Maloff. Baldowski to fourth, Evink in 5th spot of the 98 car. Kelly Evink looking for 4th. He and Baldowski go side by side. Rude sizing up Maloff. You got to wonder how healthy Maloff's car is after bouncing off the wall a couple laps ago. 5 complete for Greg Blount. Side by side for 2nd and for 4th and for 7th and 9th. George Sparkman stuck on the bottom now, getting real far. Oh, he gets into Stark. Stark saves it. Greg Blount with 3/4 of a straightaway advantage. Battle for 2nd, 3 deep. Kelly Evink red hot and rolling to the 98 car. Rude still trying to dispose of Phil Maloff. Here comes Brandon DeLacy in the 119 blasting forward. He peeks to the bottom of Steven Erickson down the back straightaway. Evink to third. Rude, meanwhile, is into 2nd. Erickson and DeLacy still side by side. Kyle Lapierre trying to move forward to the 55 to the inside of Melody Boyle. Baldowski to 4th, slashes past the 32 of Maloff, who's losing a little ground. DeLacy takes another spot in 119. They'll be a 1/4 of the way home this time by. 10 up, 30 to go for Greg Blount in 22. DeLacy peeks to the inside of Baldowski for 4th. DeLacy's in 5th. Mark English off the pace in 57 in turns 1 and 2. DeLacy working on Baldowski again. Oh, slow car. That's English getting off the track on the backstretch. Pulled high to get off the speedway. It'll be a tight fit for Blount in 3. He gets through. Aaron Rude and Kelly Evink, 2 of the top runners all year here on Saturday nights, trying to run down a leader. Kyle Lapierre slow on the backstretch. He'll take the 55 in. His night will be done. DeLacy edging ahead of Baldowski. Brandon DeLacy into 4th. Erickson trying to get to Baldowski for 5th. Steven Erickson in that 68 on the way. Blount kind of holding the nice lead. It shrunk a little bit. It was about 3/4 of a straightaway, and Rude's cut him down. Lap traffic on the way. Tyler DeShane, Sean Bauer there for the leaders. Blount will have to work around DeShane, and they'll both work around Bauer. Greg Blount keeps his lead. Kelly Evink going to work on the hatch of Aaron Rude down the backstretch. DeLacy's 4th, trying to get up a little further. He stalled out a little. Evink going after Rude for 2nd. Here goes Kelly Evink looking to make a move. second place, and they're catching Blount now real big for the lead. Closing in on halfway. Blount's best thing would be if those two could get side by side for a while. That ain't gonna happen. Kelly Evink storming into second spot. Trying to get past Aaron Rude. There he is. Evink's to second. DeLacy is charging now in the 119 as well. Trying to get to Rude for third. Baldowski settled into fifth ahead of Erickson. Halfway next time by for Greg Blount in a 22 car. A little beating and banging in four as they slow up. Rickelman and Phillips and Russell all figure it out. Halfway for your leader, Greg Blount. 2 car lengths behind him is Kelly Evink. Brandon DeLacy under a car length off of the 9 of Rude. That'd be for third. In fact, the top 6 have all caught each other. How about that? Blount still with the biggest advantage of them all, about 3.5 car lengths on Kelly Evink. 18 to go when they get back, and a hearty amount of lap traffic coming up for the leaders. DeLacy to the inside of Aaron Rude for third. Look at all this traffic for the leaders. That could be Blount's best friend. DeLacy slings it right in alongside Rude for third and 2. Brandon DeLacy is real fast. Does he have enough time? He can't get Rude. Noses into third does DeLacy. Real close for third in turn 1. Here, up the hill goes Rude. He ran out of room, and now Baldowski wants fourth. Look at the 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 cars ahead of your leaders to try and lap. They're all running vastly different grooves. 15 laps to go. Blount will try and put a lap on David Russell, who gives him some room. Blount will tiptoe past. Evink a car length and a half off. They'll look to lap Phillips. Erickson trying to sneak by Baldowski after Baldowski took a run on Rude. For the lead, here comes Evink on the back bumper of Blount with DeLacy closing in, and you don't need the stopwatch to see he's closing. Almost 3 wide in front of the leaders. They have nowhere to go. Blount goes low. Ahead of Evink. Evink right on his bumper. Look at this. Like a corn maze. Oh, he's going to get stuck on the bottom. He might get stuck on the bottom. Kelly Evink's going to run the okey-doke into the lead. To the outside. To the lead. And now DeLacy wants second. Furious, frantic action. 11 to go. Brandon DeLacy running as high as the law will allow. Evink 3 wide through the lappers. And now Blount and DeLacy, top 6 bumper to bumper through the lap cars. Unbelievable. They're just about out of it. 10 to go. Kelly Evink has extended the lead as much as he's been able to. Now to the outside for second. DeLacy to the outside of Blount. Blount shuts the door. They touch. Everybody's got to let up. That allows Kelly Evink to get away. Oh, man. They're getting through that lap traffic. Evink around Rickelman, and away he goes. Kelly Evink, your leader. This one getting along in the tooth. Now Brandon DeLacy has clean track. He may have 1 or 2 good shots at Kelly Evink. Everybody in the lead group's getting to that clear track. 7 laps to go. DeLacy up the hill. Evink nice and steady. Blount has fallen back to 5th. Rude wants second. Erickson 4th, wants 3rd of the 68. Boy, look at those guys push it high from second on back. Five laps to go for Kelly Evink. DeLacy getting in line. He might have cut the lead down just a little bit, but again, he's going to have a very minimal chance to do anything. 4 to go for Evink. 3 wide and 4. Deep in the field, Sparkman. Boyle. Boyle spins. Back end dinged up, back into the infield. We stay green for now. She keeps backing up. Stay green for now. I think she wants to move. We'll stick with it for now. 3 to go. Evink still with the lead. She will get moving. How about that? 2 laps to go for Kelly Evink. One lap to go this time by for Kelly Evink. 1 to go. DeLacy making a late run. Unless Evink slips, he'll come up short. It'll be Kelly Evink winning. Then it's DeLacy, Rude, Erickson. Greg Blount comes home in 5th in the 22. You know, if you are not someone who regularly watches these American short tracker type cars here at this track, you just saw why they put on one of the best shows every Saturday night. How about 40 straight laps without a yellow? How about 3 wide? How about crazy stuff? And a heck of a finish. 5th spot, again to Greg Blount in the car number 22. 4th spot goes to Steven Erickson in 68. Aaron Rude, your track champion. 3rd in the 9. Brandon DeLacy up to 2nd. There's your winner. How about it for Kelly Evink? Kelly Evink, the winner tonight in the Midwest Compact Dash Series. Hey, you get the steps out yet. Can you? Attaboy. Hey, welcome to Victory Lane. That was some thrilling stuff, man.
I tell you what, traffic was a blast, wasn't it?
Oh my gosh, was that as fun for you as it was for me?
That's how it should be here on Saturday nights. That was good.
That was good, man. A lot of cars, a lot of fast cars. You talk about that traffic. You had to get in front of those guys or get past, right?
I tell you, if I would have got past that 22 in the clean air, but the traffic wasn't my benefit, and you got worked around them.
Sir, you got people you want to thank for getting to Victory Lane, right?
I knew Starks was behind me. You know, he's been quick. I hear he's quick everywhere, and I know he was coming, but we were just trying to save the car. Thank you, Retool, Neighbors Barn Grill, Don Dewage, Gatewood, and all the crew. They made the call all weekend on the car, and they went the right way.
Job well done. Congrats. Kelly Evink, your winner in 98. Man, what a race. What a race.